Good morning, my friends. I'm so excited because today is Science Experiment Day. It really is my favorite day of the week. I love the other days too, but I just love science experiments. Do you? Yeah. So first of all, let's welcome in the day. Do you have your sun? Let's go. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head, dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our places with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Ready? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what day is it today? It's Science Experiment Day. That's always on a... Let's take a look. If yesterday was Art Day, and Art Day is Tuesday, let's take it up. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Gardening Day. Tomorrow will be Thursday. That means today is, yes, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy snowy in the sky. Snowy, 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 is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy, is it snowy in the sky? My friends, what's the weather like today with you? Oh, well here it is sunny and hot, but it's so hot, and I'm in South Carolina, it's very humid. So when you walk outside, you start to sweat and sweat and sweat. Feel like you need another shower. So I'm going to sing about it being humid. You choose a word that's best for you and we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today and humid was the weather. H-U-M-I-D, 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 and humid was the weather. So today is Science Experiment Day and we are asking the question, how do you squeeze an egg into a bottle that is smaller than the egg? That is not possible, is it? Let's try it. Let's have a look and see what I have on my tray. Now, this is not a work that I would keep on a tray and put on my shelf. And the reasoning for this is probably obvious to you. This is not a work that I would like the children, you guys, getting a hold of by yourself because it is dangerous. There are matches involved. But this is something during the week that if your parents or if your babysitters are fine with and you would like to try it again, you can ask and they maybe can bring it out again for you. But this is one work that I have on a tray right now, but it is not something that I would keep on a tray all the time. But just to show you, I have 3 matches. I have the box for the matches so I can light them. I have 1 boiled egg. Now I might need more than 1 because science experiments don't always work the first time. And I have a bottle, it's glass. You must use a glass bottle because we're putting the matches inside. And if you put a match inside of a plastic bottle, it will melt it. So just to show you, the egg cannot fit inside the bottle. So how can you squeeze an egg into a bottle? Well, let's try it. So science experiments don't always work the first time round. I was thinking about what I needed to do and thought maybe the top of my bottle might be a little bit small, but then I also realized that my matches didn't stay alight when they were inside of the bottle. So I thought I would try with a long piece of paper and use a lighter to light it to see if it'll stay alight and put my egg straight on. Let's see what happens. It's science. Wow, it exploded, but it worked. How crazy cool is that? I couldn't believe it. Now, don't get me wrong, the first time I did that experiment, it did not work. I think I used a glass jar and the opening, it was like a water bottle one, was too small. So just make sure the bottle that you have has an opening that's slightly smaller than the egg. But I boiled 4 eggs anyway. It's an experiment. It doesn't always work the first time, but it's good to think about the reasons why it doesn't work and try it again. But why should it work? Well, basically, when the matches burn, they heat up the air inside of the glass jar and they release steam. Steam is water. If you have a tea kettle, a kettle that you boil, all of that steam that comes out, it's very hot, is water. It's all water. This causes the air inside of the bottle to expand, forcing out some of that air. So when it expands, it forces some of it to come out the top. Then as the air inside of the bottle cools down, it causes what we call a vacuum. So it exerts less pressure on the egg and basically pulls it inside of the bottle. Crazy, huh? Did you see how we got it out? Crazy. You tip it upside down, blow into it. Why? Because when you blow, it increases the air pressure inside of the bottle, pushing it back out. Incredible. Now, the only real nursery rhyme that we could sing today, of course, was Humpty Dumpty. Do you know the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty? My parents used to say it to me all the time when I was younger, and I have a beautiful book with classic nursery rhymes in it, so I wanted to sing it to you. If you don't know it, you'll soon see why we are doing this one. Of course, Humpty Dumpty, but Humpty Dumpty is all about an egg that sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Why not? Because he's an egg and he broke. Let's do our breathing today and imagine that we are breathing out, blowing out matches. So we're going to light them and blow them out. Ready? Let's breathe in. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Now, my friends, remember, don't be sad. This is an experiment that your parents or your nannies or your grandpas or your babysitters are going to have to do for you. If you're older, maybe you can help put the egg in, but because it's using matches, it's very dangerous. It's using fire. So this is an experiment that you stand back safely and you watch with your eyes and see what happens. I'd love for you to share your results on the Facebook page. Have fun, guys. I will see you tomorrow for Garden Day. Goodbye.